So we're just literally working on a boat today. And these boats are so cool. We're right by the riverside here, just off the Thames in Battersea. And we're just working on this boat. And we had to get the pump working because the wastewater wasn't being pumped away. But it's such a beautiful place to live. Really calm and quiet. I love it around here. Even the planes. It's not happy. Yeah. Sounds like something's stuck in there, you know what I mean? Stop it. I'm just trying to free it up here, but it's extremely stiff, so looks like they'll need a new pump. That way feels okay. Oh, we might have done it actually. We might have freed it up. I think we freed it up. Yeah? If not, they'll need a new pump. We fixed it. Yeah, so that's working beautifully now. If I put this back on, this is important because this helps keep the pump cool. Right. Yeah, so I'm going to put that back on. See that? Yeah. It blows air to, so I'll show you, bring the camera closer. So it just keeps the cool when it's spinning. Lovely. Yeah, it doesn't like that. There we go. Awesome. Working.